Okay, so this question is almost similar to the previous one. So they have given that this function is always greater than or equal to minus 5 and is less than or equal to 4. So as we solved the previous sum, let us look at the denominator. Over here we see that the leading coefficient is positive, and we also see that d, so that is 2 square 4 minus 4 bc, that is 4 minus 12, so it is negative. So this quadratic equation will always be positive. It is always greater than 0. So we can cross multiply throughout and the inequality will not change. So we have minus 5 x square plus 2x plus 3 is less than or equal to x square plus ax plus b, that is less than or equal to 4 x square plus 2x plus 3. Now shifting all of these terms here, we will get, so this will be 6x square plus x a plus 10 plus b plus 15 has to be greater than or equal to 0. Similarly, shifting all of these terms here, we get 3x square plus x, that will be 8 minus a plus 12 minus b is greater than or equal to 0. Now over here we can see that in both of these equations the leading coefficient is positive and the condition is given that this equation is greater than or equal to 0. So it can be equal to 0 or it can be greater than 0. So it has to be this case of the parabola. That is, the parabola is touching the axis at one point. So d is equal to 0 in these cases. So this is the required condition. Applying it, we get, in the first case it is b square will be a plus 10 square minus, so that is 4 ac, that is 24. So this is equal to 24 b plus 15. And in the next equation we have, that is 8 minus a square is equal to 12 minus b. Now let us multiply the second equation by 2 and subtract and add, so that we will be eliminating b and we are left with a plus 10 square plus 2 a minus 8 square is equal to, so we have 12 square into 2 plus we have 24 into 15. So on expanding, we get 3a square minus 12a plus 228 is equal to 12 square into 2 plus 24 into 15. Let us divide the whole thing by 3. So we are left with a square minus 4a plus 76 is equal to, so this will be 12 divided by 3. So 12 into 8 plus 24 divided by 3, so that's 8 into 15. So 12 is a 96 and 8 into 15 is 120. So subtracting it from this side, we get a square minus 4a minus 140 is equal to 0. So the values of a will be 14 and minus 10. So these are the two values of a that we are getting. Now to find out the values of b, let us substitute the values of a in these equations. Any one of them will do. So when we substitute a is equal to 14 in the first equation, we have b is equal to, we will get b is equal to 9, and substituting a is equal to minus 10 in the first equation, we will get b is equal to minus 15. So those are our answers. Now we have to simply calculate a square plus b square. So in the first case it is a square, so that will be 196 plus b square is 81. So that is equal to 277. And in the second case we have 100 plus 225. So that will give us 325. So these are our final answers.